I know it's been a while again since I uploaded a video, but being alone and dealing with several health issues haven't made it easy for me over the last months. However, Eelke from the Orchid Saga in the Netherlands sent me an email saying that he was going to Lansbergen to visit their open house and that he would bring me some orchids that I loved and send them to me. When he told me he got them, he mentioned he was going to send them to me as a gift. And the box finally was delivered to me this Monday after being in transit for 8 days instead of the normal 48 hours. We both held our heart, hoping the plants would arrive alive and well. So let's unbox and see what Eelke gifted me. In the box there are 2 orchids. One I really liked when he showed it on one of his unboxings, but couldn't find it anywhere, and the other one's one I really love too. I'm sorry for the dark footage, but the box arrived after 6 in the evening and I had to let them acclimatize for a few hours before opening the box. This to avoid any further shock to the plants. Although the plants were well packed, they did suffer from the long traveling time. The flowers are gone or almost gone, and there's some damage on the leaves. They're very dry, as are the roots, but in whole they look quite good after being in transit for such a long time at very low temperatures. Both plants are Miltonia Sunset, a hybrid I've been looking for a long time, but can't find it here in Belgium. But there's a huge difference between both plants. One is a typical Miltonia Sunset and the other one has almost no pink in the lip. So it's virtually a completely white lip with yellow sepals and petals. The soil they are in, that ordinary cocoa peat, is bone dry, so I decided to soak the plants for 30 minutes and let them rest to see if they would perk up. And after a few hours, they already started looking better, most of the root tips greened up and even the flowers, although most of them are going, looked better. So thank you Eelke for this wonderful gift, and I do think both plants will make it. However, I'm going to give them some time to adjust to the new growing conditions before I even attempt to repot them. And I think I'm going to remove the flower stalks so the plants can spend all their energy on growing and recovering again. Thanks for watching, and I hope to upload a few more videos soon. Until then.